Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Patrix. So guys, in today's video we are going to see what is range function and loop in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, let's see what is this range function. Range function is helps to print a number. Okay, so you can print the number by declaring a variable and storing some number into it. So when you print the variable, you will get the number whatever have been stored in the variable. So this is one format. For example, if you want to print number till 100, so you cannot create 100 variables and store each value into it. So it will become a difficult task for you. Okay. So for that you can use a range function, okay, in Python, which is available. So by using this range function, you want to give only the range till where it want to print the number. So if I want to print the number till 100, so inside the range function I will specify it, and when I run that, it will print the number till 100 for us. So it will start by default from 0, okay, and it will get add by 1. Okay, it will get incremented by 1 every time by default. For example, when I run this range function, okay, range function, that means equal to 100. Okay, first time it will start with 0 and it will get plus 1. So 0 plus 1, it will equal to 1. So after that it became 1 plus 1, it will become 2. So like that it will go on till 100. So when it became 100, it will stop and it will show us only number till 100. Okay. So now let's see what is this loop in Python. So loop is nothing but it is a way to repeat a block of code multiple times until we achieve the condition. Okay, so in our last video, we have seen what is function. In that, we have seen how to use that function, how to store a different kind of condition into it, and whenever we call that function, it will run according to the condition given inside it, and it will provide us the required output. So similarly in loop, we want to only call that loop, and it will run until the statement gets true. When the statement gets true, it will stop the loop and it will provide us the required output. If the statement does not get true, it will break out of the loop and it will do not show us anything. So this is what we use this loop. So let's see how to use this loop. Okay, so in this Python there are two loops, that is, one is for loop and second is while loop. So let's see how to use this for loop. So for that, first declare a variable num. Okay, let it be. Let's start a variable for loop. For starting for loop, we will use this for keyword, and we are using a variable here. So sorry, first declare a variable, for example, num, and we are storing a value 1. So let's start for loop. For starting for loop, I will use this for keyword, and I am using this num variable in range. So I am using a range function. So inside range, I will tell till where it want to print the number. Suppose I want to print the number till 10, and I will give a colon. Okay, and I will print the num. So let's explain you what happened here. So initially I am declared a variable, that is num, which is storing value 1. So I am using this inside a loop. Okay. Okay. In and I have used a range function till 10. So it will print the number till 10. Okay. So this number loop, what does it does, it add the number and store the number inside the loop. So I am saying here print num. So every time it will by default start with 0. Okay, 0 will get stored into num. So it will first print the 0 here, and 0 plus 1, it will become 1, and it will print 1 here. So we will get 0 and 1 here. Okay, I will, okay, 0 0, and it will print 1. So 1 will get stored into the num and it will print 1. So 1 plus 1, it will become 2. Like that, it will print the number till 10 in this format. Okay, in this horizontal format. So when I run this, okay, So you can see here we will get the number till 10. So you can see that it is starting from 0 and it going the number till 10. So we want the number till 10, but it have printed the number only till 9. So why it is happening? So when it is achieving the range 10, so it will stop there and it will do not print the number 10. So if you want the number 10, you want to increment it once. So here what happened? It will print the number till 10 and it will do not print level, because in the level it is stopping the loop. Okay, and it will provide the number till 10. So you can see here we have got the required output. So this is how you can print a number using a loop. So suppose I am giving you a scenario. For example, if you are printing number till 10, or if you're not printing a number till 50 and you want to print only those number which are divisible by 2 and which remainder are equal to 0, which are completely divisible and the remainder is 0, you want to print only those number, then how you can do that? So for that, let erase this print here. So these are condition will say. So inside it I will use this if condition for checking condition. Okay, and inside this, I will specify the condition what it want to do. In num, I will say that if it is modulus, means in this modulus sign, will check for remainder. So remainder 2 is equal to 0. That means num will be divisible by 2 and the remainder will be equal to 0. So when I end this statement and when I say it print num, so it will print only those number which are completely divisible by 2 and equal to 0, which are remainder equal to 0 after dividing 2. So you can see that we have got those all number which are divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. Okay. So you can see here we have got those number. You can do this for 50 also, for example, or let's take it as 20. So you can see here, it will provide the number all those which are divisible by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0. So I hope you all have understood what is this loop and what is this range function in Python. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.